Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set Invite Tracker in Discord. First, you'll need to add a reliable invite tracking bot to your server. This bot will automatically log who invited new members and provide detailed statistics. It's a fantastic way to understand your server's growth and where new users are coming from. Let's get started with the initial setup steps. To begin, open your web browser and search for a reputable Discord invite tracking bot. Once you've selected one, navigate to its official website and click the Invite or Add to Discord button. You'll then be prompted to authorize the bot for your specific server, ensuring it has the permissions it needs to track invites effectively. After the bot is on your server, you'll need to configure its settings. Many bots offer a web dashboard where you can manage options, or you can use specific / commands directly in Discord. Here, you can designate a channel for invite logs, set up welcome messages, and fine-tune other tracking preferences to suit your server's needs. With the bot configured, you can now easily view your invite statistics. Use simple commands like /invites to see who invited whom, or visit the bot's web dashboard for a more detailed overview. This data helps you understand which invite links are most effective and how your server is growing, allowing you to make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.